The 3D printed selfie miniatures are not only a creative and innovative way to capture a special moment, but they also offer an exciting DIY project that unleashes your inner artist. In this digital age, where selfies reign supreme and self-expression knows no bounds, why not take it a step further and transform your favorite selfie into a tangible, three-dimensional masterpiece? With the latest trend of 3D printed selfie miniatures, you have the power to bring your selfies to life by turning them into realistic, customized models that showcase every intricate detail and unique aspect of your personality. It's a truly exceptional and imaginative way to showcase your individuality, preserve your most cherished memories, and add a touch of artistic flair to your living space. So, why settle for a flat, lifeless photograph when you can have a captivating, lifelike replica that captures the essence of the moment in a truly remarkable and unforgettable way? Let your creativity soar and immerse yourself in the world of 3D printed selfie miniatures. In this world, imagination knows no boundaries, and memories come to life in breathtaking, three-dimensional form. The first step in creating a 3D printed selfie miniature is capturing the perfect pose. This is your opportunity to showcase your creativity and personality. Choose a pose that truly reflects who you are or the moment you wish to immortalize. It could be a dynamic jumping pose, a lighthearted and funny expression, or simply a warm and genuine smile. When it comes to capturing your pose, you have a couple of options. You can either visit a specialized 3D scanning booth where skilled professionals will expertly capture your pose using an array of high-resolution cameras. Alternatively, you can utilize your smartphone along with a 3D scanning app. These handy apps leverage the power of your phone's camera to capture multiple angles of your pose, resulting in a detailed and accurate 3D model. After capturing the pose, the subsequent step entails refining the 3D model. This crucial process involves employing specialized software to meticulously eliminate any imperfections and ensure the model is primed for printing. If you choose a 3D scanning booth, professionals will handle this step on your behalf. However, if you utilize a smartphone app, you may need to dedicate some time to refine the model yourself. Now, it's time for the thrilling part, selecting the material for your 3D printed selfie miniature. There's a wide range of materials to choose from, each with its own distinct characteristics. Popular options include plastic, resin, and even metal. When making your decision, take into account factors such as durability, texture, and color. Consider how these aspects will contribute to the overall quality and aesthetic of your miniature. Once you have your refined 3D model and selected material, it's time to breathe life into your creation using a 3D printer. You have a couple of options available. If you happen to own a 3D printer, you can print it yourself, assuming it supports the chosen material. Alternatively, you can explore professional 3D printing services that specialize in bringing your design to life. These services typically offer a wide range of printers and materials, ensuring exceptional quality and results. Once your 3D printed selfie miniature has been printed, it's time to add the finishing touches. This step involves carefully removing any support structures that may have been used during the printing process, ensuring a clean and polished final result. Afterward, you can explore a variety of post-processing techniques to enhance your miniature's appearance further. These techniques may include sanding to achieve smoothness and precision, painting to add vibrant colors and intricate details, or even applying special effects like weathering or texture. The possibilities are endless, and this is where your creativity can truly shine as you meticulously customize your miniature, bringing it to life in a way that reflects your unique style and personality. So take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as your creation transforms into a masterpiece that you can proudly display or gift to others. Various professionals, including architects and engineers, have embraced the use of 3D printing in their respective fields. Architects, in particular, have found great success in utilizing this technology to showcase their designs. By creating miniature models of their final layouts and employing full-color 3D printing to depict architectural features, buildings, and even human figurines, they are able to convey their design concepts with remarkable impact. Further, 3D printing enables the creation of lifelike digital models, offering endless possibilities for customization. Imagine having 3D printed figurines of your favorite superheroes or cartoon characters adorning your showcase, creating a captivating collection. As a hobbyist, you can even design and create miniature figures or sculpt a 3D printed version of yourself. Crafting captivating selfie miniatures with the magic of 3D printing. Within the mesmerizing realm of 3D printing, the emergence of selfie miniatures unveils a vast array of artistic opportunities. Let's delve into some captivating collection of selfie miniature ideas that effortlessly fuse creativity with the state-of-the-art technology of 3D printing. 1. Dynamic jumping pose. Capture the exhilaration of a moment frozen in time with a dynamic jumping pose. Picture yourself suspended in midair, arms gracefully extended, embodying pure joy with every leap. This captivating selfie captures not only the thrill of the jump but also the intricate details of your pose. Utilize a 3D scanning booth or a smartphone app to expertly capture the dynamic energy, ensuring the final miniature encapsulates the essence of that airborne moment. 2. Lighthearted and humorous expression. Add a dash of humor to your miniature by choosing a lighthearted and amusing expression. Whether it's a quirky facial expression or a comical pose, this miniature will infuse your collection with a whimsical touch. The 3D printing process ensures precise detailing, bringing out the subtle nuances of your humor. Select a material that complements the playful nature of the expression, enhancing the overall charm of your personalized creation. 3. Warm and genuine smile. For a timeless and classic option, consider a miniature selfie that captures a genuine and warm smile. This enduring expression exudes positivity and authenticity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a heartfelt representation. The intricate 3D model will meticulously showcase the subtle curvature of your smile and the sparkle in your eyes. Opt for a material that enhances the warmth of the smile, such as a resin with a smooth finish, to achieve a lifelike appearance. 4. Artistic silhouette. Elevate your 3D printing experience with a captivating silhouette-themed selfie miniature. This innovative concept focuses on capturing the exquisite contours of your silhouette against a carefully chosen backdrop, resulting in a visually striking and truly unique piece of art. Paying meticulous attention to the pose and selecting the perfect materials becomes paramount in showcasing the intricate details of the silhouette. 5. Group miniature collage. Elevate your narrative by creating a captivating collage of miniatures featuring you and your loved ones. This unique assemblage captures collective moments, intertwining individual personalities within a shared space. Consider various poses, expressions, and interactions to curate a harmonious yet diverse collection. With the meticulous representation of each individual through the 3D printing process, this ensemble becomes a heartwarming and truly personalized masterpiece. So here's how you can unleash your creativity and bring your miniatures to life with the help of 3D printing technology. While the process may seem simple, many intricate components work together to produce a high-quality and personalized selfie miniature. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content.